The SawStop professional cabinet saw combines SawStop's patented safety system with performance and value, making it ideal for cabinet shops, artisan woodworkers, and hobbyists. A key component of every SawStop saw, the patented safety feature, is made possible by a sophisticated mechanism. But the concept is actually very simple. The blade carries a small electrical signal. This charge is continuously monitored by a digital signal processor. When skin contacts the blade, the signal changes because the human body is conductive. This change in signal triggers a quick-release aluminum brake. A heavy-duty spring forces the brake into the teeth of the spinning blade. The teeth dig into the aluminum, stopping the blade cold. The blade's momentum forces it to retract below the table, and the motor is automatically shut off. All of that happens in less than 5/1000ths of a second, 10 times faster than a car's airbag, all without damaging the saw. It takes less than 5 minutes to replace the brake assembly. Just slip the cartridge in, put a new blade on, and you're back in business. But SawStop's commitment to protecting you goes far beyond its patented safety system with a host of additional safety features. It's what SawStop calls total safety. It's always safer when a blade guard is used, and SawStop's low-profile blade guard combines protection and dust collection while providing exceptional visibility. The Riving Knife minimizes kickback and delivers protection during non-through cuts. And since inconvenience is often the enemy of safety, SawStop's unique quick-release zero-clearance insert enables tool-free access to the saw cavity and blade guard clamp. Changing blades or switching between the blade guard and Riving Knife is fast and easy. Anti-kickback pawls provide additional safety and can be tucked away for cutting wood with delicate surfaces. A diagnostic self-check runs continuously to ensure all systems are ready to detect an accident. A safety bypass switch allows you to cut conductive material without activating the safety system. And you can easily disable the main power switch entirely by removing the yellow key. Finally, the large start-stop paddle provides hands-free shutoff, allowing you to safely stop the blade even when both hands are busy. Sawdust is more than a nuisance. It's a health hazard. The SawStop professional cabinet saw features an amazing, innovative dust collection system that is 99% effective, setting a new industry standard with aerodynamic engineering that captures dust below and above the table. The blade guard's integrated dust collection design captures dust in a chamber that surrounds the blade and channels the particles to a port at the rear of the blade. The additional protection provided by the blade guard captures a significant amount of dust that would otherwise go uncollected, keeping your work environment safe and clean. Below the saw, a dust shroud with uniquely designed baffles captures dust and directs it to a 4-inch port in the rear of the saw. The dust shroud and blade guard transform the turbulent air that comes off the blade into a directed stream, whisking dust through a fully enclosed system to the dust ports. By using the energy from the blade itself, more dust is directed to both ports, enhancing the performance of your vacuum system. As a result, the SawStop professional cabinet saw collects 99% of the dust, keeping your work environment safe and clean. In addition to outstanding safety, SawStop's professional cabinet saw offers a host of other features, including convenience, precision engineering, and durability that make it the right saw to get the job done. A good fence is essential to accurate cutting. SawStop's T-Glide professional fence and rail system is made of heavy gauge steel, which makes it rigid and accurate. A magnified indicator lens makes it easy to see measurements down to a 32nd of an inch. Widely spaced glide plates and an infinitely adjustable rail provide flawless travel along the extension table. The zero clearance insert supports the wood throughout the cut and reduces tear out and chip out. With fully welded 1/4-inch steel construction, high-grade wheels and casters, and 1-foot operation, The mobile base helps make it easy to maneuver the saw even with a 52-inch extension table. Two wheels are housed inside the cabinet to reduce footprint, and the saw's cabinet rests securely on the ground when the mobile base is disengaged. The professional cabinet saw's true vertical gas-assisted elevation system makes raising and lowering the blade a breeze. The trunnions and motor are perfectly balanced for precise tilt adjustment, providing consistent and precise blade alignment at all elevation levels. Not only does this improve the accuracy of your cuts, it also reduces the risk of binding and kickback. The table is machine ground to the tightest tolerances from a solid piece of cast iron, and beveled edges prevent scratching of delicate surfaces. The Poly-V ribbed belts transfer more power to the blade for better cuts with less vibration. And the powder-coated steel cabinet resists rust and corrosion to ensure lifelong reliability. The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw is built to work with any kind of wood for any kind of cut, including rips, cross cuts, angled cuts, beveled cuts, wide cuts, and narrow cuts. SawStop customers often say that they bought the saw for its safety features, but fell in love with its quality. The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw, designed by a woodworker to provide extraordinary safety, performance, and value that truly sets it apart from other table saws.